This is a used 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Grab life by the horns. Powered by 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Silver Creek Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 920 South Main, Hailey, Idaho 83333.